Hello, I'm going to show you how to change the faulty CD drive of Xbox 360. So this is my Xbox 360. I opened the cover and these are the parts, and so I bought a CD drive from Amazon.com. Just notice the part number. You just have to write this part number DG 16D5S. So I bought this one, and the new one, my old one was DG65S minus 13B, and this is minus 11B. I think these are same. You have to check the some CD drive has a here it has a 5 terminals here. So this was here, this motherboard. I changed the motherboard, and you have to basically use a solder joint to take out these wires and put your original motherboard into the new one. So that I already did, and I put it inside here. Now I am going to put this thing in the position here. So you have to put it and then plug those white and the black wire here. And so this, when I got the new one from Amazon, it did not have this Xbox plastic cover, this Xbox plastic cover here. So I took this out from my my CD drive, and then I put it back on the new one. So then I just have to put it here, and I already tested it's reading the CD, and you can play the games. So this is very easy. The main difficulty was taking out all these pieces. It took me some time because it has all these clips inside. You see these clips which goes inside, so you have to be very careful to open this. There are some kind of pressing clips here, like those clips here. You have to put those kind of clips here, so they're just clip tight. You just have to take care removing very carefully, otherwise you'll break it. So this is the cover, front cover. See, I took it out, and it's running very good. Hope you like the video. If you like my video, please subscribe.